Hi everyone, my name is Narsimha. Uh, Today we will solve the LeetCode problem 374. Guess number higher or lower. Let's see the problem statement. We are playing the guess game. The game is as follows. I picked a number from 1 to n. You have to guess which number I picked. The number I picked stays the same throughout the game. Okay, it is telling that system will pick a number and we need to guess that what number it have been picked. Every time you guess wrong, I will tell you whether the number I picked is higher or lower than your guess. It is telling that every time it will tell what we have guessed is lower or higher than the number the system picked. You call a predefined API, it guess which returns three possible results. Uh, every time we'll pass the guessed number to the function guess, so it will return three possible results: -1, 1 and 0. Your guess is higher than the number I picked. What we have guessed is higher than the number the system picked, means it will return -1. It will return 1. Your guess is lower than the number I picked, means what we have guessed is lower than the number it picked, so it will return 1. It will return 0 if the guess equals to the picked number. Return the number that I picked. So you need to return the number that what it have been picked. Now we'll see the topics: binary search and iterative. Okay, binary search. So binary search, how it will work means, uh, binary search will work. This is, suppose, let us consider this is an array. Binary search will divide array into two parts and either goes this side or this side and performs operation only this side. If it enters into the left side, next in the next iteration it will divide again into half part and checks whether enter into this side or this side. If it enters into again left side, it will divide into half again. It will work. Okay. Mm, Let us discuss input. Okay. Suppose we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers. Okay. So in the binary search, it will find the mid value. Mid value by 5, how it came means lower bound will be 0 and upper bound will be the length of array, that is 10. Okay. To find mid lower bound plus upper bound by 2, it gives the mid value. Okay. It will check mid is equal to the picked value by the system. If not, if not, it will return based on the return statement that when we call the function, it will return 1 or -1 or 1, 0. If 0 means mid is equal to the picked value, or else we'll transfer to the left side and right side. We'll write the logic and see how it works. Okay. First lower bound will be equal to 0. Okay. Upper bound will be n, while lower bound is less than or equal to upper bound. Okay. We need to find the mid. Mid is equal to lower bound plus upper bound by 2. Okay. Guessed. Okay. We found number. We found a number means we guess a number or found. Uh, we call a function and pass the guessed number to the function, so that it will return 0 or 1 or -1. If it returns found equal to 0 means it is matched to the picked value, so we will return mid. else if found equal minus 1 means found equal minus 1 means check higher than the number I picked. Our mid is higher. Our mid is higher than the picked value means um, our mid means suppose mid is this. Okay, mid is higher than the picked value means uh, this if this is the picked value, mid is higher than the picked value, right or wrong? Yes. So picked value be in the left side. So lower bound starts here and it will be in the left side only. Okay, in the left side part only picked value. So we need to change the upper bound to left side. Upper bound equal to mid minus 1. Why mid minus 1? Why not mid? Means uh, in the condition 50 mid equal to 5, we'll check mid whether the mid is whether the mid is uh, matched to picked value or not. So if not, no need to check with the mid. The next time also it will not match to the picked value. So we will eliminate the mid and only checks with the mid. So else if lower bound equal to mid plus 1. Okay, sorry. Found equal to 1 means where equal to 1 means lower guess guess is lower than the number I picked means system picked we picked number what we have picked number is less than the picked number of system. So our number is less than pick value means we need to pick value will be in the right side. So our number 5 is less than picked value. So picked value will be in the right side. So we need to move to the right side. So lower bound equal to mid plus 1. It will check in the right side. Okay. 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 Let's run the code. Okay. We have passed all the test cases. Picked. Okay. Output is 6. So if you want to see the what it is guess it is sending means print found it is what it is sending me. We'll check another. Okay, we got an output. Okay, okay. First it written 1 minus 1 and 0. Now for the test case 10. Let's trace how it worked. 1 minus 1 0. Okay, 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 0. Okay. Suppose we are having numbers 1 to 10. Okay, first it will mid lower bound will be 0, upper bound will be 10, mid will be 5. So mid we will check where and it what you have written 1 minus 1 0. What this is what it written, right? Okay, 5 and pick value is 6. Yes, 6. Pick value is 6. So we need to find the target value picked is 6. What it have written first one it have written means okay 1 minute, right guys? Okay, 5 means what? 1 means 1 means okay 1 means Your guess is lower than the number I picked. Means what you have guessed. Mid is lower than the picked value. Means picked value will be in which side? 1. So mid lower bound will be mid plus 1. Right? Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means this will be the lower bound and this will be the upper bound. Okay, 10, 10, right? This will be the upper bound. Okay, this is the we will consider now. Okay, we need to find this mid value again. After running the loop, it will find the mid value. So, okay, 5 plus 10. Next, 5 plus 10, 15, 15 by 2 gives 5 plus 10 gives 15 by 2, 14, 7. This will be 6. This will be 7. So this will be the case 8. So it returned minus 1 when 8 come. So it returned minus 1, right? So means minus 1 means what is the condition higher than the number I picked? Mid, this will be the mid, right? Mid is higher than the number it have been picked. So picked value is less than the mid means. So it will be like in this side. So mm, mid comes to the minus because of that it returned minus 1. So uh, minus 1 means upper bound will change to mid minus 1. That is this. Lower bound will be 5, upper bound will be 6. So 5 plus 6 means 11 by 2. 11 by 2 returns 5. 5 means this value. Found value will be 5 and mid value will be 5 and 5 is sent to the guess. So yes, it returns 0 means it matched to the it is matched to the picked value of by the system. So we will run this. Mm, okay, run. We'll submit this code. Yes, we have passed all the test cases. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you.